Hi guys. Hi guys. Hi guys. Vlog. Sub to my channel, I'll give you $5 or 500 million pesos. Oh, okay guys, comment your username on Roblox. I'll give you a Roblox admin. I will put in the comment section my username. Yeah, I comment in the comment section my username to give you Robux, okay? But first, beacons only, no lying. Do you know Hazen, guys? He made the steel brain. No, he made the what again? He made the please be made, and he's my brother. I don't know English clearly. I know Filipino more. He flight into Australia first, and into his second he said he will flight. I don't know where he flights. I'm watching his video because I miss him, but I cannot see his face. I even forgot his face, guys. You know that. Hey, guys.
Sila ni mama yan.
Okay, guys. Wait, guys.
Kaka-charge lang yan.
This is my look. This is my left hand. No. This is my left. This is my right. Yeah, I'm wearing bracelet. This is my left. This is my right. Yeah. What? My friend just text me that. What is the meaning of that? Please comment in the username. Bye.